Hi, Year 9. Welcome to another week of our little catch-ups that we are having. So this week I wanted to talk to you a little bit about self-motivation. So as we know, self-motivation is the ability to drive oneself to take initiative and action to pursue goals and complete tasks. It's an inner drive to take action, okay? To create and to achieve. It's what pushes you to keep going on tasks, especially those you're pursuing because you want to, not because somebody told you to. Okay, so think about what motivates you, not just with your schoolwork, but in general. What motivates you to get up in the morning? What motivates you to go out? What motivates you to exercise? What motivates you with your particular hobby? And then think about the things that perhaps aren't your biggest passion, for example. Perhaps that's because you struggle with them or you find them a little bit more difficult. And start thinking perhaps about the positivity that you can put into those tasks, changing that mind frame, that mindset. Okay, we've talked about mindsets before and having that fixed mindset or that growth mindset, and think about positive mental attitudes when you are working throughout this week. Okay, make the impossible possible and make the I can't into I can. I wanted to share with you some absolutely amazing feedback I've had from your teachers. I sent an email out earlier last week and asked for just some positive feedback and some areas improvement for year 9, and the amount of response I got and the lovely feedback that I received was absolutely amazing. It really lifted me and gave me a big smile. So I wanted to share that information with you, okay? So you can see, I'll just pick out a few here, but please put me on pause and read through all of these fantastic feedback comments from your teachers. So generally, the quality of work submitted has been of a high standard and really shows students are keeping self-motivated and resilient at home. Amazing. My year 9s have really engaged with remote learning, received lots of contributions during the lesson and submitted work so I can check progress. Fantastic effort. I've had fantastic attendance, engagement, and class interaction with live lessons. Both classes have been so enthusiastic and willing to be involved during the lesson, providing feedback on the lesson content as we've progressed through the tasks. A massive thank you and well done to 9A2 for completing work to extremely high standards, including their forms responses that they did last week. Amazing, guys. It was so lovely to see students doing practical keyboard activities set at home and seeing their progress via video clips they sent to me and playing their keyboards. I've been really pleased with students' attendance in Year 9, which overall has been really good. You've got feedback from Miss Richards, Miss Reinsbach, Miss Garforth, Mrs. Lee, Mrs. Bramley Justice, Mrs. Hudson, Mr. Dawson, Miss Smedley, Miss Biggs. Everybody's really pleased with how you're doing at the minute. So a massive well done from me. You are doing amazing, guys, and in such difficult circumstances. So a big well done. There are a few bits that some of your teachers would like you to have a bit of a work on and consider. So we've got for both my year 9 classes, it would be great to have a bit more interaction and engagement with the questions during the lesson in the chat box and possibly unmuting if you feel confident enough to do so. I'd like everybody to attend and contribute. So a few people, perhaps their attendance is dipping a little bit. Think about that, guys. Every lesson missed. Yeah, every lesson does count. We need to be present and attend and make sure that when we come back, we've all got the knowledge that we need and the skills that we can use to keep aiming high. I would like to see more of them unmuting to answer questions whenever possible. Yeah, a little bit more confidence to come and give feedback virtually, and improvement, maybe getting that work handed in on time. Okay, so just a few things for you to think about there going forward. But it's not all about work with our catch ups, it's a little bit about you as well, guys. So I really want you to think about your mental health awareness at the moment. We're all quite isolated right now, these are all very difficult times. And I just wanted to give you a bit of a reminder of some of the really helpful information that's on the school website. Okay, I've just taken some screenshots there of some of the information that Mrs. Dewsbury and Miss Taylor put up last year. So we've got Mind Shift apps, Mood Path apps, Rise Up and Recover, and Mood Guidance Journaling. Okay, these are all apps that you can get to from your phone to support you with your mental health. Okay, if you go on the website, on the school website, and type in mental health, in the search bar, this will bring up all of the different healthy mindset information packs that we put together for you. So please do use that if you feel that you would like to, and make sure that you keep in contact with us. We're all here to help and we're all here to talk. Okay? And finally, guys, we do understand that lockdown restrictions and not being in school could be having an impact on how you're feeling. That's why we've added a new page to the website with loads of links to organisations that can support you. Okay, so simply go to the website, search student services from the menu bar, and then select mental health and wellbeing. I hope you're all okay. Do keep contacting us. Do keep in communication with us because we're all missing you, and we want you to take care. Have a great week, guys. See you soon.